Green farming of cotton has started in Yuli County of northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. As the weather gets favorable, tractors are busy working in the cotton fields. Check out how farming machines aid cotton sowing here.
Thanks to its unique temperature and sunlight conditions, Xinjiang has become the largest cotton-producing area in China and an important one in the world. Over the years, Xinjiang has been improving its intensive large-scale cotton planting. At present, 94% of the region's cotton planting and harvest have been done by machinery.
New tech, such as the Beidou navigation satellite system, has increased cotton yield in Xinjiang while relieving the workload of cotton farmers.
The region's agricultural authorities said Xinjiang's total cotton production will remain stable at more than 5 million tons this year.